Pang 11 na to guys. So tips, draw nature feature. So tumatagal naging easy na yung mga task. So S, ganitohin nyo lang guys, oh. So D lang to guys, D, letter D, para madali yung pag-label nyo guys. Hold control para ma-move. Yan, madali lang to guys. Letter D lang to guys, letter D. Ano to? Forest. Then click space. Automatic, hindi siya na ano. So lumampas guys, no? So madali lang yan guys. Boundary clipper lang, letter Y. Yan. So ito Bearland to guys, Bearland. So E lang, E, filling tool. Click space. Naging forest, change to Bearland. Then dito sa kabila, grass. Letter E lang, filling tool. Click space, change to category to grass. Ganyan lang guys, dali lang. Control A to submit. Yan. Thank you.